the gain of putting yourself out there is better than the cost of not putting yourself out there. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 tips that will help you overcome camera shyness as someone who wants to build a business online. For those who has been watching me for about 11 months now, you know that most of my videos, all of my videos before 2025, I don't show my face, right? And this is because I am a very reserved person and I don't like putting myself out there. But I was actually reading a book and I came across personal branding, and I saw how important it is to start putting yourself out there. Now, before I share with you the tips to overcome this shyness, I want to share with you the importance of doing this, of putting yourself out there. Someone who wants to build a business online, or someone who wants to sell stuff online, or you want to build something online. Okay, now the first thing is that, if you have been seeing my videos for the past 11 months now, you'll see that even if I don't put my face out there, I always do put my thumbnails, my photo on my thumbnails, so that people can relate to the person that is speaking to them. And by this, they can do 3 things, and it can actually help me gain 3 things. They know me, they like me, and they trust me. So maybe if I want to sell stuff online, I want to sell anything online, these people know who they are dealing with because I am out there. And there is nothing more powerful than the gain of personal branding. There is nothing compared to it. Look at the Ronaldos of this world. Look at the Messis of this world. Look at the Mr. Beast. People have actually built a very huge fan base by just doing videos, showing their face, and actually putting their self out there. And it's very crazy. People don't know how powerful personal branding is, how powerful putting yourself out there actually is. So it is very important. So our first tip today is to practice. If you want to build anything online, you want to build any business online, which is very important in this 21st century and in 2025, building a business online is so remarkable because you can see a whole lot of success if you build anything online, and the cost of building a business online is very, very minimal. So you want to just press record on that camera and make sure that you practice all the time. So just as they say, practice makes perfect. Not even perfect, but improvement. The more you practice, the more you improve. So consistently record yourself doing this stuff and talking to the camera. Just be yourself and just start sharing yourself. The number 2 tip is to, just like me, what I actually do, because I am someone who is very reserved and I don't like putting myself out there. But in 2025, I have actually decided to do it and make sure that the people who feed on my content, the people who see me every day, the people who listen to VALUEBANK actually see the personality that is behind the camera and the voice that is behind all the amazing videos that have been coming out on YouTube, so that people can actually relate with me. So that if I have people who don't like me, they can actually relate to, okay, this is a guy I don't like. If I have people who actually love my content, they can relate to me, and they can actually relate to my video. If I have students online, they can actually say, okay, this is my mentor and this is someone who has actually been teaching me how to make money online. So I just read out positive affirmations. This is like a ritual I do every single morning. I look at the mirror and I read out positive affirmations of what I want my day to be, what I want my week to be, what I want my month to be, what I want my year to be. So reading out positive affirmation, of course, no one is ashamed of looking at themselves in the mirror. So just look at yourself reciting or reading a sentence in the mirror and record yourself while actually doing that. So after doing that, you can also go back to the video and see how well you are doing. You get. So number 3 is always use the back of your camera, okay, while recording your videos. You don't want to be seeing yourself. Just use the back of your camera and make sure that you look at the lens. look at the lens, so that it will, if I look like this, you'll see that I'm not looking directly to you. But if I look like this, I am looking directly to the camera, and you can see that I'm looking at you, eyeballs to eyeballs. So make sure you look at the camera. And 4, imagine you are talking to someone that you know. Just imagine that you're actually speaking to someone, you are having a conversation with a friend, and you are speaking to them about stuff, you are trying to actually teach them stuff, you are trying to share them a message and all that. This is very important. So it will actually boost your confidence, and it will just make you feel natural, because you are conversing, you are just pretending as if you are having a conversation with someone that you actually know, teaching them stuff and all that. So number 5 is to make sure you always smile. In my first video, you see that I actually smiled a lot. I've not actually gained a lot of confidence doing this, because I'm not this kind of person. But this year I've told myself I am going to put myself out there enough for people to actually see the person behind the Value Bank brand, the person behind the camera, the voice behind what they have been actually receiving as value. You understand? And number 6, just be yourself and do you. You have to just be natural and do you. You don't have to, like, maybe you watch a video and you see someone actually telling you to do like this, and you try to, or you like someone, you're actually modeling someone and you try to be like them. Just be yourself, be your personality, just show your energy in that video and actually record yourself. It is very important to actually build personal brand, because it will help you a lot if you be building a business online. It will help you a lot in terms of building a community. It will help you a lot in terms of if you want to sell stuff to these people. It will help you a lot if you want to share message from these people. And it will also help you a lot monetize your community by building a business online. Every single video I put out here, YouTube pays me, because I am sharing value to people and the channel is being monetized. So putting yourself out there gives you a lot of value, makes people to know, like, and trust you. And always be prepared if you want to actually create a video, if you want to press record in that video. It is very important. Now I'm actually going to be encouraging anyone out there who wants to start content creation, just pick up your phone and start already. If you want to start building your business online, as someone who owns a business offline these days, you have to be online, because people are no longer walking around, coming to your business place. All your customers are online, scrolling on social media, watching one video or another, and your content should be one of those things that they are consuming. And you have to know that we are in the attention economy. You get, the person who can get the most attention makes the most money. So you want to make sure that you put yourself out there consistently for people to see you enough, to know you enough, to like you enough, to trust you enough to do business with you. You will make more money getting people to know you personally. Now, for people who will be watching this video, they can relate to who is Value Bank, and they can say, okay, this is this guy behind the voice, this is this guy behind the brand, this is this guy that actually does book publishing and all that. So they know this brand because they can actually see this video, they can relate to me and all that. So just put yourself out there, press record. There is nothing more fulfilling than to know that you have a community of people who listen to you every day, and you can express yourself to them, you can teach them stuff, and you can actually be yourself while teaching them this stuff. So I know you have actually gained a lot of value in this video, and for that I will say this is the end of this video. And make sure you actually like this video. My next video will actually be coming up, and I will tell you how I can help you make your first $10,000. Actually, this year I want to help 10,000 people gain financial freedom by teaching them 3 vehicles: creating videos online, publishing books on platforms like Amazon, and also selling stuff online. So 3 ways to actually gaining financial freedom that you can use, 3 vehicles that you can actually use to gain financial freedom online. I'll be explaining to you how I'll be able to achieve this, and how I want the 2025 to be for you and I. Please make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure you share this video massively. It really helps me and I actually love it when you like. And please, if you have any question about Amazon KDP, if you have any question about content creation, if you have any question that is bothering you, leave it on the comment section. And if you have any video request, also leave it on the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. And also I'll be pinning the link to the Value Bank community, whereby you actually discuss on how you can actually grow as a publisher online and you get your questions answered. You can also message me directly on Telegram and I'll also respond to you.